What causes chicken to become rubbery and how can it be prevented?
Hey there, food enthusiasts. Welcome back to our cooking channel. Today, we're going to tackle a common issue many of us have faced in the kitchen: rubbery chicken. Have you ever cooked chicken only to find it disappointingly tough and chewy? Well, fret no more. In this video, we'll dive into the reasons behind rubbery chicken and, more importantly, learn some valuable tips and techniques to prevent it. So, let's get started.
Why does chicken become rubbery?
When it comes to chicken, achieving a tender and juicy texture can sometimes be a challenge. There are a few key factors that can contribute to chicken becoming rubbery. Overcooking is the primary culprit behind rubbery chicken. When chicken is cooked for too long or at excessively high temperatures, the proteins in the meat tighten and contract, resulting in a tough and rubbery texture. It's essential to ensure that chicken is cooked to the proper internal temperature, but going beyond that can lead to undesirable results. Lack of moisture. Another common reason for rubbery chicken is a lack of moisture. Chicken naturally contains water, and when cooked, some of this moisture is released. However, if the chicken is cooked for too long or using dry cooking methods without added moisture, such as grilling or baking without a marinade or sauce, the chicken can become dry and rubbery. Poor quality or overprocessed chicken. The quality of the chicken itself can also play a role in its texture. Poor quality chicken or chicken that has undergone excessive processing may be more prone to becoming rubbery when cooked. It's always a good idea to choose fresh, high-quality chicken from reputable sources to minimize the chances of ending up with rubbery results.
How to prevent rubbery chicken?
Now that we understand the causes of rubbery chicken, let's explore some practical tips and techniques to prevent it from happening. Proper cooking time and temperature. Cooking chicken to the appropriate internal temperature is crucial for achieving a tender texture. The recommended safe internal temperature for chicken is 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 74 degrees Celsius. Invest in a reliable meat thermometer to accurately measure the chicken's internal temperature and avoid overcooking. Moisture-retaining cooking methods. Opting for moisture-retaining cooking methods can help prevent rubbery chicken. Techniques such as braising, poaching, or steaming can lock in moisture and produce tender, juicy results. These methods involve cooking chicken in a liquid or steam, allowing the meat to gently cook while retaining its moisture. Marinating and brining. Marinating or brining chicken before cooking can significantly improve its texture. Marinating involves soaking the chicken in a flavorful liquid mixture, while brining entails immersing the chicken in a saltwater solution. Both processes help the chicken retain moisture and enhance its tenderness. Aim to marinate or brine the chicken for at least 30 minutes, or even overnight for more pronounced results. Slicing and resting after cooking. It's essential to let the chicken rest for a few minutes before slicing and serving. This resting period allows the juices within the meat to redistribute, resulting in a more tender and juicy texture. Cutting into the chicken immediately after cooking can cause the juices to escape, leading to dryness and potential rubberiness. And there you have it, folks. Rubbery chicken can be a thing of the past with these helpful tips in your culinary arsenal. Remember, cooking chicken to the right temperature, using moisture-retaining cooking methods, marinating or brining,